Humayun. Humayun was the eldest son of Babur, and was the second ruler of the Mughal Empire. Here are some key points about his life and reign. 1. Early life and succession. Humayun was born in 1508 and was named Nasir-ud-Din Muhammad Humayun. He succeeded his father, Babur, as the second emperor of the Mughal Empire after Babur's death in 1530. 2. Challenges and loss of empire. Humayun faced immediate challenges to his rule, including rebellions by his brothers and the Afghan nobles who had previously ruled in northern India. His early reign was marked by struggles to consolidate power and maintain control over the empire. 3. Battles. Humayun participated in several significant battles during his reign, some of which were crucial in shaping his rule and the trajectory of the Mughal Empire. Here are a few notable battles involving Humayun. 1. Battle of Chausa, 1539. Humayun faced Sher Shah Suri, an Afghan noble who had risen to power in Bihar and Bengal. This battle took place near Chausa, in present-day Bihar. Despite having a larger army, Humayun was defeated primarily due to tactical errors and Sher Shah's effective use of artillery. Humayun barely escaped with his life and fled to Bengal. 2. Battle of Kannauj, 1540. Following his defeat at Chausa, Humayun confronted Sher Shah again near Kannauj, in present-day Uttar Pradesh. Once more, Humayun's larger army failed to secure victory against Sher Shah's forces. These defeats forced Humayun to flee India and seek refuge in Persia, marking a significant setback for the Mughal Empire. 4. Exile and return. Humayun spent nearly 15 years in exile in Persia, during which he formed alliances with Persian rulers and sought support to regain his throne. With Persian assistance, he returned to India in 1555 and retook Delhi and Agra from the successes of Sher Shah Suri. 5. Death and legacy. Humayun's reign after his return was brief but marked by efforts to stabilize the empire and restore Mughal authority. He died in 1556 after falling from a staircase in his library in Delhi. Humayun's legacy lies in laying the groundwork for the Mughal Empire's expansion under his son, Akbar the Great, who would go on to consolidate and strengthen the empire significantly. Humayun's reign is often overshadowed by the challenges he faced and his brief period of exile. However, his efforts to reclaim the Mughal Empire and his role as a bridge between Babur's conquests and Akbar's expansive rule are crucial to understanding Mughal history.